Today we're having this little thingy, this styrofoam thingy. I'm gonna be careful because my phone's in the fridge. I don't want it to be immersed into the water possibly, but all I have over here is this cup. I had to insert ice in it and put a regular water bottle in it. So come on. Come on, let's do it. We're going downstairs because I'm at the top of my house. Because I'm recording this in my house because I made this in my house. And wait, come on. I'm in my kitchen now, so okay, there's this water bottle we're going to put in here. And then I think we're going to add this in here, this little fridge, and it will coat it up. So let me get the ice in here first. Don't want the ice to overload. So all we had to do is close this refrigerator and go back upstairs and wait. And at the end, I will be showing you how cold it is. Maybe it will not work, but the first time I refrigerated something in here, it really worked. It was really effective. It was in my parents' fridge. Let's take it upstairs again and put it back in my room and make sure not to spill it. Please give this at least 2 comments or a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. And I will be drinking the cold water bottle when we are done. Okay? Thumbs up or a like.